Welcome to our channel. You are watching Agita Online NP official channel. If you are new, please subscribe our channel, and we have launched our official job portal app on Google Play Store. So install our job application app to get all latest jobs vacancies notice in your mobile phone and apply from mobile also. The download link is on video description. In this video today we are talking about job vacancy notice from Kailash Helicopter Services Private Limited. So please watch full video till end to get full details in application process. Job opportunity: Kailash Helicopter Services is currently operating charter commercial air transportation within the Nepalese territory with the AS-350 helicopters. Thus, we invite self-driven people to apply for the following positions. Department: Flight Operations. 1 Helicopter Pilot, Captain. Number of vacancies: few. Qualification and experience: hold a valid ATPL/CPL, H, on type AS-350 series helicopter issued by ICAO contracting state CAA Nepal. Other minimum qualification should be as per requirement of CAA Nepal. 2 Licensed Flight Operations Officer. Number of vacancies: 1. Qualification and experience: hold a valid Flight Operations Officer license issued by CAA Nepal. Bachelor's degree or equivalent is preferable. Age not less than 21 years. Flight dispatch experience in AS-350 helicopter operation is preferable. Fluent in speaking and written English. Comprehensive knowledge of CAA Nepal regulations, flight planning and navigation procedure. Able to work outside base. Demonstrate proficiency in IT with particular competency on Microsoft Office package. 3 Assistant. Number of vacancies: 1 female. Qualification and experience: minimum bachelor's degree level in any discipline with experience in tourism, travel industry. Able to interact with internal-external individuals, organizations extensively. Team-oriented and able to work independently and under pressure. Fluent in speaking and written English and Nepali. Demonstrate proficiency in IT with particular competency on Microsoft Office package. Administration Department 4. Supervisor/JR Assistant. Number of vacancies: 1 female. Qualification and experience: minimum bachelor's degree level in commerce and 2 years of experience in administration department. Fluent in speaking and written English and Nepali. Demonstrate proficiency in IT with particular competency on Microsoft Office package. 5 Office Assistant. Number of vacancies: 1 male. Qualification and experience: minimum intermediate level in any discipline. 2-wheeler, needed. Candidates preferable: Nepalese citizens fulfilling above requirement for vacancy of helicopter pilot, captain, may send their CV. A copy of license and other relevant documents to the following address within 15 days from the date of publication. For vacancy 2 to 5, candidates are required to submit their documents within 7 days from the date of publication. Permanent residents of Kathmandu Valley will be given preference. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for an interview. Telephone inquiry will not be entertained. Kailash Helicopter Services Private Ltd. Level 3, Tia Commercial Building Airport, Kathmandu, Nepal. Email: info@kailashheli.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for more new updates from our channel.